welcome to my channel. This is my friend Dobby, the dog. And this is my friend Princess, the dog. Princess is a girl. Dobby is a boy. Welcome to my channel, guys. I have so many toys you can play with. Okay. Do you want to see the toys? My toys? Alright. Just wait a minute. Okay, I have my toys. This is my gun, shotgun. And this is my police car. And I lost my gun, so I cannot see my gun anywhere. I have lost tooth. See? I got lost tooth. I don't know where is my tooth now. Welcome to my house. Did you see my father is working? Did you see my father is fixing the camera? He's fixing the camera. So look, father's fixing the camera. I have my shooting ball, basketball jump. And I have my little ball here, over here. Let's shoot it. I lost my ball. Oh! Alright. Ang dulas ako. Okay lang ang dulas. I'm fine. So, bye! Bye!